Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I still think it's extremely clear this is a 1-2, and I think we're very, very clearly in a wave 3. I still look at this as most likely a wave 3 is going to go to the 161% Fibonacci extension of wave 1, projected out the bottom of wave 2. And that brings us all the way up to about the 2550 area, so I'm definitely still very bullish on the higher time frames on gold. Heading down to the weekly time frame, we're definitely in what I think is a correction. I think this is clearly a 1, a 2, and I think we're still in subdivisions of a wave 3. Maybe this is like a wave 4 of 3, and once it's over, it's going to go up towards the 61.8 for the wave 5 of wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame, I am still calling this current move down a wave C because to me this is definitely 5 waves down. And looking at other correlated gold pairs, gold versus the Yo and some of those other pairs, I still think this is very clearly A. I still think this move up is very clearly a B. I think this move down is a wave C. Now wave Cs normally do take out the lows of wave A, but they definitely do not have to. They could easily turn at the 100% or even the 78.6%, go up, break structure, prove that the trend is over, and then end up continuing the uptrend. For now, there's no proof that it's going up. Just be aware that wave Cs do not have to take out the low of wave A. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame, with the fact that we're closing below the 78%, I would think that it at least would go down to the 100%, possibly even lower. But if it does go up, if it does start breaking some of these significant structures, then it probably is the end of a correction, probably is the continuation of the uptrend. But I think at this point it's probably more likely it's at least going to make its way down to the 100% Fibonacci extension before we get a break of structure and before we get the continuation of the higher time frame uptrend. So heading down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we definitely have that 3, 4, 5 set that you see at the end of most trends if you're on the right time frame. So if it does go up, if it does break structure, then you could definitely be looking for longs, especially on these sort of time frames. But I think you need to be very, very cautious about assuming that it's going to make a move to the upside because this easily could make a lower high, and just keep on trending down. Technically, the trend is definitely down on the 4 hour and the daily, and you should probably be looking for sorts on anywheres around the 1 hour time frame and below, at least until you get a break of structure to the upside. If you do get a break of structure to the upside, then I would be looking to get in on the first pullback for what could even end up being the continuation of the uptrend. But until you see proof that that's happening with the break of structure, I think you need to continue to look for sorts on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live trading sessions. As always, thank you and happy trading.